Yeah, hello students. The previous video I have done periodic functions, properties, and I explained with a few examples. Today I am going to explain few more problems. After learning the concept of the periodic function, you should solve these questions. These questions are important questions. So I'm trying to cover all the models. So just if you spend the time daily around 20 to 30 minutes, definitely will be thorough particular topic. So your target is very high, minimum 70 marks you should reach. So every particular topic you should be thorough. So I'm doing a small videos, all like 15, 20 or 30 minutes, around 30 to 40 minutes. You go through those videos. I'm concentrating particular area. So it helps you a lot to improve your score. So daily you can take the pen and paper. You should solve the questions. Simply looking the videos, no use of that. You should solve. Between you pause the video, they can solve that. Then you'll be familiar with the topic. After solving that, you can take the previous year papers. Then you can try to solve the questions. So definitely, I am trying to cover the type of questions. Even after completing this, the topic, almost I will complete the topic within 2 videos. I will complete the topic. After that, I will do relations and functions, all the previous year questions. All the previous questions I will do that. It helps you a lot. Now I will explain the problems now. Now see, in this problem they are asking what the period of this function. F of x is equal to e to the power of x minus top x plus mod sine pi x plus mod sine 2 pi x and so on plus mod sine 20 pi x. They are given like this. What is the period of this function? When they are asking period of this function, you find individual periods, take LCM of that. What is the period? You can see here x minus top x. Period of x minus top x is nothing but fractional part of x. In the previous class, in the previous video I have done that. The period of fractional part of x is 1. So here, the period of this is 1. Even though the period of x minus top x is also 1. There is no change. So period of this, so you can see here, I can write here. So period of x minus top x is 1. At the same time, I can also write period of u to the power of x minus top x. So these are x minus top x. Remember, these also 1. Period of u for x minus top x is 1. So this also 1. Same thing, right? Both period is 1 only. This period also 1, that is also period 1 only. So you think about the period of this one. So period of mod sine pi x. Whatever the period of mod sine pi x, this period of this will be, you will get mod, you take trigonometric function of any mod of any trigonometric function. So the period is pi only. So you will get pi by pi. It gives 1. So you can take a period of mod sine 2 pi x. If you take this one, pi by 2 pi, it will be 1 by 2. If you take period of mod sine, I can continue like this. So I can continue like this. Period of I become mod sine 20 x. Mod 20 x. If you take this one, it will come continue like this. Understood? This if I continue like this, so is it clear? What I am saying here, we can continue all the periods like this, right? So I am saying here, suppose you can continue. So period of mod sine 20 pi x, which is equal to pi by, you will get 20 pi, it will be 1 by 20. Correct? You should find LCM of all this. So you should find the answer here. The period of this one, you will get LCM of, I should find LCM of 1, I will get 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and so on, 1 by 20. Correct? What is LCM of these fractions? When they are talking about LCM of the fractions here, LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. LCM of numerator is 1. HCF of denominator also 1. Answer is 1 only, right? So for this function, the period of f of x is 1. So I can conclude period of f of x is 1. Period of f of x is 1. But I have done observe here. Just find individual periods, then take LCM of that. Whenever fractions are there, to find LCM, So LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator. So denominator will be only 1. So answer is 1. So here the period of this given function is 1. Now see in this problem, they are asking you to find the period of this function. They given 4 options they are given. Find the period of this function. You can check. When they are asking the period of this one, you find period of this one. What is the period of this one? So you can think. When they are talking about the period of this one, you will get the period of cos function. Any cos theta, it is 2 pi. So here you will get 2 pi by n factorial, period of this one. So it will come. So we will get 2 into n factorial, this will come. So when they are talking about period of this one, what is the period of this one? Same thing. We will get 2 pi by, because period of sin theta is 2 pi. 2 pi by x coefficient. So pi by n plus 1 factorial. So it will come 2 into n plus 1 factorial. Right? So the period of the required function. So I can take LCM of. So you take LCM of, I can write 2 into n factorial and 2 into n plus 1 factorial. Correct? If you take LCM of this 2 into, so here the factorial notation LCM is 2 into n plus 1 factorial. So this is the period of f of x. So period of 2 into n plus 1 factorial. This is your answer, right? 2 into n plus 1 factorial. Yes, now you can see in this problem f of x is equal to mod sin x minus mod cos x by mod sin x plus mod of sin x plus cos x. But individually we know the period of any two modulus of any trigonometric function is pi. So pi, this is also pi. Even if you take here, you can verify this combination of sin x plus cos x. You can verify the period also sin of pi plus x. So cos of pi plus x. So you will get minus of sin x plus cos x. So mod will be there. So it's a periodic function. It will be the same thing, right? So clearly we can say the period is pi. Correct? The period is pi. Individual period is pi. This period also pi. So LCM of pi, it will be pi only. Even you can check if you want, you can verify. F of x plus pi plus x. Mod sin pi plus x. You can verify. Cos pi plus x. So you get sin of pi plus x. Cos of pi plus x. It gives same thing. This is a sin 180 plus x. Mod will be there. Mod sin x. Mod cos x. Sin 180 plus x minus sin x minus cos x. Take minus common. It will be sin x plus cos x. So that is the reason we got the same function. So it is a periodic. The period is pi. Directly also we can write your answer. I told you directly. I suggest in the beginning that was the right answer. I have a verification I have done. Answer is pi. This is a simple problem. You can just given this one. The period of this function is 2 pi is given. So the period of this function is 2 pi is given. So here the period of sin theta. Sin theta period is 2 pi. So period of this function will got the period of this one. We will get to 2 pi by root of step n. So they are given, this is actually we got, but they are given it is equal to 2 pi. Right. Then what is the meaning here? Root of step n is equal to 1, right? The meaning is this value is equal to 1. When this value is equal to 1, step of n is equal to, step function of n is equal to 1 means what is the meaning of n? 1 by less than or equal to less than 2. Correct? 1 less than or equal to n less than 2. That will be your answer. N lies between 1 and 2. So this will be your answer. Right? We can decide about the n value. Lies between these two. 1 less than or equal to n less than 2. Now see in this problem, they are asking the period of this function. When they are asking period of this function, you can observe here. The period of a power f of x is also equal to the period of f of x. The period of a power f of x is also equal to the period of f of x. Here a should not be equal to 0, a greater than 0. Should not be equal to 1. A should not be equal to 1, a greater than 0. A is not equal to 1, a greater than 0, a power f of x. See the previous video I explained this, you can verify that. So the period of this is enough. If you find the period of this power enough to say the period of 3 to the power of. So you can see sin square pi x. So sin square pi x period. So period of sin square pi x. So you can think about period of sin square pi x is equal to. So you take square of the power of any sin, cos, cosec, secant. If the power is even number, the period is pi. So this coefficient is pi x. The period will be pi by pi gives 1. Sin square pi x is 1. Even the period of, again think about sin power 4 pi x. This also you will get even number. So pi by pi gives 1. The period of fractional part of x, period of x minus step x. So this is equal to 1. We know that period of this x minus step x is equal to 1. Always. So all three 1. LCM of 1 means your answer is 1. The period of the given problem is 1. That's all. The period of the given problem is 1. Now see here. In this problem, sin x and cos x are complementary functions. So you remember, sin x and cos x are complementary functions. Cos x and sin x are complementary functions. What is the complementary functions? The sum of two angles should be 90 degrees, right? If we say sin, you can see sin x and cos x, sin 90 minus x cos x, cos 90 minus x sin x. If a plus b equal to 90, a to b are called, like you can say complementary functions. So cos x, sin x are complementary functions. So here, when there is a complementary functions, you can check f of pi by 2 plus x. Since complementary, cos of sin of pi by 2 plus x. This is the bracket, just plus cos of pi by 2 plus x. Just you can observe here. So this will become cos of cos x plus cos of sin x, right? The given cos of cos 90 plus x is given. So when they are given the problem here, you can observe here cos of 90 plus x. It comes, no, generally you get sin of 90 plus x, cos 90 plus x, second coordinate cos x. So cos of 90 you think about, you will get minus sin x, right? Cos of 90 plus minus, cos of minus theta, cos theta only. So that's the reason you get cos of cos x plus this is cos of sin x. Correct? So this same function will come f of x. Correct? Same function will repeat. So this function is period with period pi by 2. Your answer is pi by 2. Your answer is pi by 2. Correct? So they are asking to verify what is the period of this function. When they are asking period of this function, think about this gives integer, right? You can consider let n less than or equal to step x, this one less than 1. You can consider the value of that one. So otherwise you can know, otherwise I will take instead of step x, what I am saying. So I will take x only. So you can consider n less than or equal to, correct? Second integer, right? Consider like this. L less than or x less than, you can consider L less than or equal to x less than 1. If we consider like this, the step function gives what it gives? Step function gives n. So the function will become f of x into n. Correct? X into n. Where n is an integer. Again, the value changes as x changes, right? So it depends upon x right here. It depends upon x here. So where n changes with x, right? Here where n changes with x, correct? Where n changes with x, correct? N changes with x. That means there is no k such that f of x plus k is equal to f of x k greater than 0. K is a positive integer, right? So there is no such k. There is no such k to satisfy this equation. It is not possible. I am understanding here. There is no k here. I am talking about there is no k. There is no k. There is no k to satisfy this equation. K greater than 0 is an integer. There is no k. K greater than, there is no k which belongs to z, right? Positive integer. There is no k belongs to z. There is no positive integer k to satisfy this. So it is not periodic function. So it is not periodic function. What is so? There is no such k to satisfy f of x plus k is equal to f of x. K is the least positive integer, right? It doesn't satisfy. So it is not periodic function. In this problem, they are asking, period is given. They are asking what is the value of n. They are given 2, 3, 4, the options is given. So if you think the period of sin n x, period of sin n x, which is equal to, you will get 2 pi by n. Next, the period of sin of x by n, So 2 pi by 1 by n, right? The coefficient. So 2 pi n. So the period of this one, LCM of these two. So you can take it LCM of 2 pi by n, 2 pi n. Correct? Which is equal to 2 pi n, right? If you take LCM. LCM of numerator, space of denominator, HCF of denominators is 1 only, right? 2 pi n it will come. So, but we got the period of this function is 2 pi n, but they have given 4 pi. Given 4 pi, right? That means the period of f of x is equal to 2 pi n, which is given 4 pi. So, given 2 pi n, given 4 pi, right? So, 2 pi n is equal to 4 pi. So, you will get n is equal to 2. Answer is 2, right? Given period is equal to 4 pi, right? Given period is equal to 4 pi, 2 pi n is equal to 4 pi, then n is equal to 2 it comes. We got this, given n is 4 pi, n is equal to 2. Now see in this problem, sin x, sin square x, sin cube x and so on, plus sin power 20, 20x. They can extend also sin to the power of 20, 21x also. They can write. Now can see when they talk about the period of sin x. This is 2 pi. Period of sin square x. So the powers are given. The period is pi. Powers are not. The period is 2 pi. I can continue like this. Powers of the period is pi. You will get 2 pi pi. LCM of 2 pi pi you will get. So what the LCM of pi 2 pi it gives? Only 2 pi only. So the period of f of x means I can write. So period of f of x equal to. So LCM of you will get 2 pi pi, only these two only you will get, right? So LCM of 2 pi pi will be 2 pi. So the period of f of x is 2 pi. Coming to this problem, you can see individual period. The period of this is 1. The period of this is you will get pi pi 3 pi. So then it will be 1 by 3. The period of this is 2 pi by 2 pi. So it gives 1. So period of this is this. So the period of f of x, so LCM of, you can write, so LCM of 1, 1 by 3, 1, it will be, when they are talking about LCM, this will be 1 only, right? So period of f of x, period of LCM of 1, 1 by 3, 1, so it gives 1, correct? Period of fraction 1 by 3, LCM of numerator by HCF of denominator, it gives 1 only, your answer is 1. Now see in this problem, f of x equal 3x plus 3 minus top of 3x plus 3, this is top function, sin pi x by 2, what's the period of this function? You can observe here, this is nothing but fractional part of x, right? This is everything I can, this express I can express fractional part of 3x plus 3. But we know that the period of fractional part of x, anything always 1. So the period of this is 1, this minus this. The period of this is 1, right? So this is nothing but this, I can write. So period of fractional part of x is 1. So what is the period of this one? You can think, you get 2 pi by pi by 2. See, it will come 4, correct? The period of this is 4. So LCM of the period of f of x. So you can think of LCM of, I can write LCM of 1 comma 4, it will be, LCM will be 4, your answer is 4. The LCM of 1 comma 4 is 4, right? Your answer is 4 here, correct? Now, coming to this, sin power 4x, cos power 4x. If you think individual period, the power is 4, means even means period is pi, period is pi. But LCM of pi comma pi, pi doesn't work here. Should be careful here. Because these two are functions, complementary functions, right? If I say complementary functions, you can see f of pi by 2 plus x. So sin of pi by 2 plus x whole power 4 plus cos of pi by 2 plus x whole power 4. So this will become cos sin 90 plus x cos x whole power 4 cos power 4x. You will get cos of 90 plus x minus sin x whole power 4. So cos power 4x plus sin power 4x, which is equal to f of x, correct? So this is periodic function with period pi by 2. Should be careful. The period is pi by 2 here. So just this is a different problem. Observe here. They are given f of 2x plus 3, f of 2x plus 7 is equal to 2. For all x belongs to R. Then the period of f of x. Be careful when you are doing this type of problems. So in this equation, replace. So we can because you can think this is the like this is the given equation 1. Let it be 1. Replace. So x by x plus 1. Replace x by x plus 1 in 1. Let it be 1. Replace. So this will become f of 2 into 2x. You will get 2x plus 5, right? Replace x 2 into x plus 1. 2x plus 5 plus f of you will get 2 into 2x plus you will get 9, which is equal to 2. This is second equation. You can observe here. Now again, replace x with x plus 2. Then replace x by x plus 2 into if you replace, this will become the f of. So replace here 2x plus 9. Correct. You will get C 2 into x plus 2 4 plus 5 9. This will be f of 2x plus 11, which is equal to 2. This is third equation. Now, because we want a relation between the values of this and this, I want relation. So from 1 minus 3, if we remove from 1 minus 3, you can observe here, can I 2 into, this is not 9, I think this 2 into x, this is 7, right? Be careful here. 2 into x plus 2. 2x plus will get, we're getting this one, replace. When I am removing this, I got it. You can check here what I have done. So I replace with 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2. You will get f of 2x plus 9. You can verify. What I am doing here, just you can verify the value of this. When I substitute this f of 2x plus 5, f of 2x plus 9 is equal to 2 we got, right? 2x plus is equal to 2. If we substitute this, again, you can substitute x by x plus 2. So again, if you substitute f of x plus 2, then you can see what the result it will come now. If you take just x by x plus, or if you replace x by x plus 1 only, if you replace, not you take x by x plus 1 only, then this is 2x plus 7, you will get 2 into x plus 2x plus 1. Again you replace that only. That is better here. What I am saying here, replace x by x plus 1, again replace x by x plus 1 into, then you will get f of 2x plus 7, f of 2x plus 11. You will get this one. So now we can observe here. If we do this, now what is the thing you can observe here? Correct. I have done the same thing, the same equation. Replace x by x plus 1 into I have done. Correct. That value, we can simplify these two equations now. If we simplify these two equations, we will get, I got like this, right? Replace x by x plus 1 into. Otherwise, if I take replace x by x plus 2 in one row, I can do that. In one row, I can do that. That is also fine. You can replace x by x plus 2 in 1 or replace x by x plus 1 in 2. Any one of the method you can do that. Now, if you observe here from 1 and 3, so 1 minus 3. If we follow 1 minus 3, then 2x plus 1 I can eliminate. F of, you will get 2x plus 3 minus f of 2x plus 11 equal to 0. Correct? Again I will explain what I have done. This is given equation, right? First replace x by x plus 1 in 1. Again replace x by x plus 1 in 2 or replace x by x plus 2 in 1. Any one of the method. You will get like this. So 1 minus 3, we will get this one equation. I got f of 2x plus 3. If we transfer that side, f of 2x plus 11, this means f of 2 into x plus 4 plus 3, right? I can write like this, f of 2x plus 3 could f of 2x plus 4 plus 3. These two are equal. That means this function has period 4. Correct. This is f, this is f of y, let it be f of y. This is f of y. You can see this is f of y means in the form of like this one. 2x plus 3. 2 into x plus 4 plus 3. Correct. This will be, you understood, like f of 2x plus f of 2x plus 4 plus 3. So I replace x with x plus 4. Both are equal. So it's a periodic function with period 4. Correct? So understood. Here I replace x with x plus 4. I got both are equal. Then it is a periodic function with period 4. The period is 4 here. Now see here in this problem, to find the period, better to simplify. If I simplify this, you can check 1 plus 2 cos x by sin x into this one can write as 1 by cos x. So 2 cos x plus 1 by cos x. Right, this one again, this will become, so you can take it up, this will become cot x, right? Cos by sin by cos 1 by tan is cot x. So what is the period of cot x? It will be, the period of cot x is, we know, the pi. So the period of cot x is equal to pi. Answer is pi, right? The period of cot x is pi. You can consider the answer is pi, right? I can consider the answer is pi. Now we will do the next problem, right? The period of cot x is equal to pi. You think about the next problem, they are asking, they are given t1 is the period of this, t2 is the period of this. T1 is the period of this, T2 is the period of this. Then you can observe here, what is the period of, you know that period of fractional, this is fractional, this is step function. Fractional part of, this is fractional part of x. So the period of fractional part of x is, we know that 1. Correct. That means the period of T1 is the period of this one. So here this is fractional part of x. Correct. So the period of fractional part of x is 1. It doesn't depend upon the coefficient of this. So now the period of fractional part of x is 1. Therefore the period of e to the power of 3 into fractional part of x is also 1 only. So that means T1 is equal to 1. T1 is the period of this, that will be equal to 1. The period doesn't depend upon the 3 times of fractional part of x. Whatever the period of fractional part of x is also equal to e to the power of 3 into fractional part of x. Coming to this is 3x minus stub of 3x. So this is fractional part of 3x. Period of fractional part of x is 1. Period of fractional part of 3x will be 1 by 3. So T2 will be 1 by 3. Because this is everything, this is equal to fractional part. I can write this one, u to the power of fractional part of 3x. That will be 1 by 3. This is also e to the power of fractional part of x. So now, relation between these two we check. 3t2 is equal to 1. So t1 is equal to 3t2. So this is your answer. T1 equal to 3t2. Now observe this problem. The period of this function they are asking sin x tan x by 2, sin x by 4, tan x by 8 and so on. Sin x by 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus tan of x by 2 power n. 2 power n. Now you can observe here the period of you can observe here. This is the we got like this. So this is the pair we got like this. You can observe here. So for every odd number, if you replace n is equal to, if you give odd number, you will get the terms. You will get the terms. Now, what is the period of this one? You can think period of sin x. You can think period of sin x. So when I am talking, so period of sin x. So period of sin x is you get 2 pi. Period of tan x by 2. So pi by you will get 1 by 2. It will be 2 pi, right? So period of this is 2 pi. Coming to this one, period of sin x by 4. Period of sin of x by 4 is you will get 8 pi, right? 2 pi 1 by 4. Period of you will get tan x by 8. So it will come pi by 8 by pi, correct? You can see here, period of this is 2 pi, period of this is 8 pi and so on. Think about period of this one. If I think period of this one, I can observe here. So when I am talking about period of sin of x by 2 power n minus 1, period of sin of x by 2 power n minus 1. If we take this one, 2 pi by, you will get 2 pi by 2 power n minus 1. Correct? You will get, 1 by, you will get 1 by, right? So 1 by 2 power n minus 1. It comes 2 power n into pi. This is 1 by 2 power n minus 1. Same thing, period of tan of x by 2 power n. So which is equal to pi by 1 by 2 power n, 2 power n into pi. If you take LCM of all this, 2 pi, 8 pi, 2 power n pi, it gives LCM is 2 power n into pi. Your answer is, this is the period of this function. That will be the period of that function. See, you observe here in what way I have done this. The model is important. Now see in this problem, they are given The period of f of x 1 when x is a rational number, when x is rational 0 is. What is the period of this? 1, 2, non-periodic, none of this. But you remember here, for every rational number, for every rational number p, let it be p is a rational number. For every rational number p, f of p plus x is equal to 1 when x belongs to q, 0 when x doesn't belongs to q. You will get like this. I will take the same thing. So which is nothing but f of x only. Which is nothing but f of x. But this is true, but the problem is here. But you can say there is no least positive value of p. But you can remember there is no least positive value. There is no least positive value of p, for which f of p plus x is equal to f of x. Correct. There is no least positive value of p, for which f of p plus x is equal to f of x. There is no least value of p. The reason, since there are infinite number of rational numbers, since there are infinite number of rational numbers, right? Since there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers, between any two rational numbers. That means here f of x is a periodic function. There is no fundamental period. Remember, here f of x is a periodic function. There is no fundamental period. That is a conclusion. F of x is a periodic function. F of x is a periodic function, but there is no fundamental period. F of x is a periodic function. But there is no fundamental period. There is no fundamental period. This is the problem. You observe here what I have done here. So answer is none of these here. There is no fundamental period. So with this I tried to complete almost all the different types of problems I have done. So it's easy to practice. So all periodic functions, 2 videos out in the previous video I have done, like the basics and everything. Here I have done all different types of problems. It helps you to learn the concept of periodic function. So I hope you understood this. Any suggestions if you want to give, please suggest your comments. Please you can suggest to improve my videos. I will do that. Thank you.